back everybody to Outdoor Power Tech. It's been a while, but we're going to start doing some more videos again. We're going to be tackling this Clinton engine. The number on it is right here, 410-0105-000. Mine, the last three digits on this one is 013. So it falls in this category right here if this parts breakdown that we have here. If you want any more information on this, you can just email me and I'll try to give as much information to you as I can. But this first video, we're going to be just tearing the engine down, and we'll go ahead and start on that right now. Hope everybody had a good Christmas and New Year. Let's see here, let's start with, let's pull this gas line off of here. I'm gonna get me a block. Let's see underneath here. There we go. Make sure everybody can still see good. I don't know why people put this clear plastic gas line on stuff, but we'll do it right. I'm gonna put it back together. You see, it just breaks after it gets old, gets brittle. I don't know why people do that. We might worry about that later. Put that to the side right there. And I think that is a 7/16. It is. And we're going to clean everything on it, sandblast everything. If I got new rings, I'll put those in. Probably got a 7/16 on this back side here. And we do. See if I can get it. It might be a 3/8. Screw it back in a little bit. Screw it back out. Now we click OK, right? I'll set all these parts to the side because I want to go back with everything original. Let's get this other side. So I'm gonna put a long bolt on this one. I can feel it behind it, the threads. There we go. Not quite there yet. I'll put all these bolts in a solution, let them soak. This off. This one off. Set these to the side. I look inside the tank. It does got some rust in it. I've seen worse though. We'll get that all cleaned up real nice. Put the gas cap back on there. I do keep those gas caps in stock though, if I new old stock. Looks like somebody has welded this before. Alright. A 1/2 inch. I'll hit with the impact first to see how it's going to feel. Yeah, somebody's welded that. They didn't do too bad of a job though. It's not pretty, but see if we can break this with the... Let's see if I can do this out. Pinching my fingers. Okay, that wasn't bad. It's nice to get back out in the shop again. Been kind of slow towards the end of November and of course through Christmas. So I got some work coming in, and I figured I would start working on this engine. Just put a video out, get this engine added to my collection of engines I've restored. Other than that, been busy around the house. For those that might be new, my son's in the military. He's gone right now for 9 months, so his wife and grandbaby's in town with us. They've been here since November, and he's supposed to be over there for 9 months, so it's been a blessing having everybody here. It's been a little chaotic, but that's another reason why I haven't been out in the shop that much. Christmas and everything, taking care of everybody. Of course, we all got that sickness that come through around Christmas. But other than that, we're all doing good. Okay, now let's put these bottom 7/16 off. That is, let's fix it, that's all. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of spider eggs and rust. See all the spider eggs? All right. Set that to the side and I'll get all, start getting all this stuff cleaned up later. Don't mess with that much right this second. Yeah, feels like she's seized up. Let's go ahead and take this plate off of here. I do not want to lose that little screw. Okay. The breather hose still feels okay, but well, that's, I don't know if I had that in stock. I don't think I had that in stock. I mean, I can make one. Let's see if I can. I think I picked this engine up for $10. There we go. I think I did. Oh, that just pulls out. Okay, that's good. It is clogged, but we'll fix all that. And that should be a 7/16 too. Can y'all still see everything going? Sorry. Here. Oh, okay. At least that wasn't on there tight. I bet I'm not gonna go get that muffler off. I'm just taking the nut off this carburetor on this left side. I might have to try to get that muffler off to do it. I'll zoom in on this stuff whenever I'm putting it back together. Taking it apart's the easy part. If you give a kid the right tools, they can take it apart. don't really take no knowledge to take it apart. Let me see if I can get that. I doubt I'll be able to, but let me see if I can get that lock nut to move on this muffler. Did it move? It is moving. But I don't know if the muffler's gonna move. Let me spray some penetrating oil on it. While that's soaking, I'll at least get the other. I want to soak all this stuff too, that's all rusted up. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. This engine was sitting outside in a junkyard when I found it. Let's see if I got a 7/16 it's ground down. Yeah, there we go. I'll have to look up the date on this. My guess is it's late 60s, early 70s. Take that one off. We do not want that to break at all. Or this throttle pin. Throttle linkage, sorry. Lucked up on that. I just hope to, you know what I just realized? I don't think the light will, no, it won't turn off because the carburetor's in the way. Oh well, at least we got it lubed up. I'm just working it back and forth with my finger right now. I'm winding it out. There we go. There we go. All right. Set this over here. Let's find that. Where's that at? Okay. Gasket still looks really good. I'll just clean that up. Still looks good. All right, now this vein right here should just slide off like this. There we go. I want to take that head off first so I can see what we're dealing with. I don't even think how you can look down in this thing before. I know when I got it that it would turn over by hand just a little bit. If I remember correctly, it had a small clanking noise inside. Yeah. She looks pretty rusty. Let's see if I can. There we go. All right. I'd use my small impact again, but that seems to be pretty loud. Let's see what we got here. I'm not going to use this gasket again, but I don't want it to break, so I can make a copy of it. And I'll check and see if I have one in stock before I make one, but like on the other one, I have the material to make this. She's crusty. That's pretty bad, guys. That's pretty bad. All of it's surface rust though. I'm not scraping hard with this, I'm just pushing some of this debris out of the way. I don't want any of y'all to think I'm scoring up anything. I mean, the piston looks really clean. I think it's just all. Let me get this blowed out real quick. Alright, got that blowed out. Got where it's moving a little bit now. Sprayed some WD-40 in there with some PB Blaster. Definitely got some surface rust build up on it. I'm just gonna keep working it back and forth slowly like this. That's why I want to keep this flywheel on here so I can have some torque behind this. I didn't want to pull the flywheel out and then be having to put something down in there and hit the piston trying to get it out. I'd rather slide in the motion that it was designed to slide, if that makes sense. Let's see if the valves go open right. One of them does. All right, I'll be back with y'all whenever I get this to spin fully around. All right, I got it where it's going to go all the way. Let's see if that other valve's going to open. We got a valve not open. All right, this is what I was doing when I got it. That's right. It was hanging. There we go, okay. So it was that valve was stuck. Okay. We'll throw some PB Blaster down in that. Where is, I have a brass, there's some brass. All right, we'll just do this one. There we go, okay. There's some more PB Blaster in there. See if I can, I don't want to mar that up any. I can't get that to spin. Oh. All right, sorry. My other son just stopped by to get some stuff. I'll work on that. At least we got this freed up. Let's see what the inside looks like. I've seen worse. Yeah, all that'll buff out real good. That piston looks good too. So, all right, now let's get this flywheel pulled off. Okay, so I'm just trying to see I might have to use the impact on this. My bigger impact. And hopefully I won't break one of those things. Yeah, let me get the impact on it. What was that? 3/4. Okay, yeah, that came off real easy. Wasn't nothing hard about that at all. Pull this stuff off. Now getting the flywheel off might be I don't have a flywheel puller for this. I don't want there to be too much play in that. And put this nut back on here. And I'll try the shock method. Well, I mean, I got some big pullers, but I don't think they're that big. Let me check this real quick. All right, guys, I want to try out good old Harbor Freight pullers here. This is the biggest pair I have. Nope. I won't be able to because I can't get underneath the flywheel, but in two places. just need that third place. It's always something, isn't it? And I don't have one that's a double puller. Okay. Well, we tried to do it the right way, didn't we? At least it was just one hit. Oh yeah, buddy. Got the old points and condenser on there. Okay. It's been a while, guys. We cannot lose that key at all. Let's go ahead and get this off of here. We're getting there, slowly but surely. I don't even think I'm going to try that. Nah, see, that wasn't going to work anyways. 5/16. It is, but my driver won't get on. Ah, there we go. I'll see this. There we go. The whole thing should slide off now. Like that. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. That's gonna be fun. Doing all that work, setting all that. That oil seal still looks brand new. All right, now I'm gonna breather off. I don't even know if there's even any oil in this thing. Oh, that looks good. That's good and clean. Wish I'd get this muffler off, but I don't want to mess anything up on it. Let me try a pair. We'll do it on the pipe side of it. I almost reached for a screw on the bottom like it was vice grips. No, I'll heat that up with a blowtorch and see if I can get that broke free. Okay, now, there's still a bolt in it from where they had it mounted to whatever they had it on. Don't need that. That should be 7/16 too. Hold y'all's ears. Hold your ears. I'm just looking here, just see if there's oil in. No. Oh, it don't look good though. It don't look good at all. Maybe it's just water mixed in it. Hopefully that's it. All right, let's get this plate off. A 1/2 inch. That's 13 millimeter. Another 13. I had my half there separately. There it is. Hold your ears. All right, that should be it on this back plate right here. I'll see if I can give it a little tap. That's good enough. Let's see if I can get me the screwdriver underneath here. Looks like it's been siliconed on. Block. Oh, does it have a roller bearing? No, it don't. I think it's just water gotten in that over time. If y'all can see in there. I think that's what it is, just water. All right, timing gear, cam. All right, good. That's a plus. Pull this out. Don't lock back in. catching on here. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Okay. That should just pull right out now. There we go. Still looks good. Still looks real good. All right. We're almost home free, guys. Those are good. Bend this tabs so we can take that off. Let's get a good look where how that dipper is. So we put it in the exact same way. That's gonna be a 7/16. All right, I'll sit that right there so I can put it back together. Get this tab bent, and I'll show you these tabs when I put it back together. Oh, yeah. My daughter just come out here. Needs me to take her somewhere. I want to get this done. Oh, there's a tab on the other side. They got bent down. No wonder. There we go. cap. Hey, that's smooth as glass. Oh, there, that nasty stuff pouring out. All right, all that'll clean up. Let's pull the piston out. See how bad it is. All right, guys, that's it. I'll get all this stuff cleaned up, and I'll do next video will be a montage of me cleaning everything, sandblasting, and getting stuff painted probably. But I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and thumbs up, whatever. I appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.